Oh look, the underfloor heating guys have arrived.
Right, gentlemen.
Alright.
What's the procedure? Talk me through it as quick as you can.
We're going to lay these balls down, tape them together, so they're just floating on the floor.
Yeah.
As soon as that's done, we're going to start rolling the heat mats out from this position over here where the electrics are. And that's it, we're going to connect it all up, test it, and we're done.
Go!
Electric underfloor heating,
Yes.
expensive.
No.
It always has been traditionally, hasn't it?
It has been, because it's normally been installed incorrectly. So normally people just lay it on a concrete floor and just roll it out and turn it on, thank God, and then they'll turn it off overnight and then they'll turn it back on in the morning. And it's really expensive to run it like that. Provided you've got the insulation boards underneath it and you set your timer up correctly, then it's more effective than any electric heating of any source whatsoever.